Mastering VMware vSphere is an instructor-led course consisting of interactive presentations, live Q&A sessions, lab exercises, and demonstrations. This hands-on training course explores installation, configuration, and management of VMware vSphere, which consists of VMware ESXi and VMware vCenter Server. The schedule is pretty flexible, and depending upon your availability, you can choose between daytime, weekend, or evening classes. Daytime classes run from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. This is 5 days of training and a total of approximately 30 hours of VMware training. Weekend classes are on Saturday and Sunday from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. for 3 consecutive weekends. This comes down to a total of 6 days of training and approximately 30 hours of VMware lectures. Now, if your schedule is really busy, you might want to consider the evening classes. These sessions are held from Monday to Friday from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. for 2 consecutive weeks. Our evening classes run for a total of 10 days, and there are 3 hours of lectures each day, so roughly speaking about 30 hours of VMware training altogether. The fact that you can choose between daytime, weekend, and evening classes gives you a lot of flexibility, and you no longer need to worry about how to balance work with education. You can join our training sessions from the comfort of your home or office on a mobile device such as an iPad, Android tablet, or Windows computer. You are no longer stuck to your desktop, and our training platform runs on most mobile devices. Now, I am about to show you a recording of an actual training session. Watch closely and see how we blend conceptual explanation and live discussions with best practices and demonstrations to deliver top-quality VMware training online.
And remember, we set up VM_10 to be a fully automated DRS, so DRS is going to move VM_10 whenever it sees fit. Let's go back and change that. I'm going to click on Edit Settings. Let's go back to Virtual Machine Options and change VM_10 from fully automated back to manual, and click OK. Let's see if DRS gives us any recommendations that some virtual machines should be moved. Now, these virtual machines aren't doing too much, but we'll probably see a recommendation. Okay, it took a couple of minutes, but a recommendation did pop up, and you can see it's a 5-star recommendation, which means this really needs to happen. And the reason? It's to satisfy an anti-affinity rule, which you can remember we set up a rule a while back.
And I'm going to connect the virtual NIC to the virtual switch. Now, the 2 virtual machines can talk to each other, but they're still not connected to the external physical world. In order to connect these 2 virtual machines to the physical world, what we need to do is we need to connect one of these physical network cards to the virtual switch. The job will actually fail, or actually will stay on the queue, because there is no connectivity between our ESXi server and the printer.
Whenever you patch or update ESXi, what it does is take everything from that first partition, copy it to the second partition, and that's your backup. So if you have to fall back, there's an option when you boot up ESXi to actually roll back to the previous version.
Alright, as you can see, although this is an online training, it is no different than traditional in-class training sessions. We believe it's much more efficient because the instructor not only has advanced tools to deliver and visualize the training, but also he can dynamically evaluate your progress and help you grasp areas you didn't fully understand. What else do you get? As part of the training, you will have 14 days of access to our enterprise-level data center environment specifically designed for practice in installing and configuring VMware components from scratch. This is an amazing opportunity to gain hands-on VMware experience by installing and setting up the VMware line of products, even if you have no previous virtualization experience. It's the fastest way to actually learn, understand, and remember the main components of VMware's technology. You will also have access to the virtual classroom portal to download the lectures, watch the session recordings, and get support for a full 14-day period. Now, if you're preparing to be either a VMware Certified Professional or VMware Certified Associate and you're not sure of what to expect at the exam, rest assured there is an exam preparation training to prepare you for both VCP and VCA exams. This is how it works. At the conclusion of the training, there will be a VMware VCP exam preparation workshop during which the instructor will review the results of the exam preparation training and will give you directions so that you can be prepared for the exam. In terms of supporting materials, you will receive 2 books. Number 1 is the VMware vSphere Step-by-Step Lab Book, and number 2 is the VMware VCP Study Guide. The Lab Book will help you to install and configure VMware's virtual infrastructure. It's a step-by-step lab book with lots of exercises that are easy to follow, even if you have no prior VMware experience. The VCP Study Guide book covers every single objective of the VCP exam, as outlined in the exam blueprint. Alright, now, what are the course prerequisites? We believe experience in administering or supporting MS Windows or Linux environment is sufficient to make the most of our training. Even if you've never worked with VMware before, this training will help you understand virtualization, install, configure, and manage VMware vSphere environment, and prepare you for the exam. Okay, let's do a quick overview of what you get when you register for the class. Number 1. Top quality training consisting of anywhere between 30 to 40 hours of presentations, plus 14 days of VMware hands-on practice. It truly is the perfect blend of theory and hands-on experience. 2. The schedule is flexible. You can choose between daytime, weekend, or evening classes. 3. You can join the training sessions from the comfort of your home or office. Our top-of-the-line training platform runs on most mobile devices, so you're no longer stuck at your desk. Number 4. 2 weeks of 24/7 access to our enterprise-level data center environment so that you can practice installing and configuring VMware virtual infrastructure from scratch. Number 5. Access to the training portal to download the courseware, watch video replays of training sessions, and get instructor support. Number 6. VMware VCP exam preparation workshop combined with personal evaluation of your readiness to take the exam. Number 7. Comprehensive courseware consisting of step-by-step lab book and VMware VCP study guide. Number 8. One-on-one sessions with the instructor for the duration of the training. We're passionate about delivering the highest quality training focused on practical application of VMware's technology by reinforcing theory with real-world examples and hands-on lab exercises. We deliver the training with the help from our exceptional instructors and mobile-friendly training platform that you can join from anywhere.
There is one critical component that you need to know about. Official courses were not designed to help you succeed at the exam. Most likely, you will fail if you rely on VMware's official training. To be successful, you should aim at learning more, do more practice, and receive better support from your instructor. When making a decision on which course to choose, look for VMware training that is more conducive to effective learning and covers way more content than the official course. Now, I strongly suggest instead of spending thousands of dollars on the official course, enroll in one of our VMware training classes and get top quality training for a fraction of the cost. In fact, we deliver more training for less than 1/3 of the original price. Our teachers are highly qualified, each with years of experience. All hold VCP and CVIA certificates. More importantly, they love teaching VMware and strive to make your experience as fun, practical and effective as possible. So save your money and learn a lot more by joining one of our VMware training courses. You will be amazed at how much you're going to learn. VMware vSphere training has to be affordable, practical and comprehensive. We offer just that with our set of VMware training sessions, practice lab and exam preparation. Don't wait for the last moment, click on the link below and sign up today. Now don't miss out, get in now before it's too late.
This is a brief overview of our VMware training. Chicago,